Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I finally got enough modules into my Eurorack case so that I don't need to cross patch to my 5U system at all, and I can do an entirely Eurorack setup. So that's what we're looking at today. We're looking at a simple patch, and we're showing you how these multifunction modules allow you to get all the basic functionality that you need. First of all, there's the mutant brain that is giving us the CV and gate output there on the yellow and blue wire respectively. That translates our MIDI signal from the keyboard into CV and gate, which are going to a multiple there, which you can see, and at the multiple it's breaking into two for both the CV and gate. At the top is the gate signal, which is coming out on the blue and brown, and one is going to the gate of stages, which is acting as one of our envelope generators, and the other is going to maths, which is acting as the second envelope generator. When our CV breaks out, it's going to ripples so that the filter moves with the octaves, and it's going to beads, which is acting as our oscillator. Beads is running in the wavetable mode. The output from beads is coming along that orange wire there and going into the clean input of ripples, which is our filter, and the output of ripples is coming on the red cable and going to the input of our VCA, and the output to the mixer is on the black wire, which you see snaking away from the modular. The stages ADSR is driving the VCA and is connected to it with that blue cable that you can see there. The maths envelope generator is controlling the filter, which is coming along that purple cable there and going into the filter for modulating the filter. Stages is set up for classic ADSR mode, so that we have attack time, decay time, sustain level, and release time. The standard ADSR on the four of those: attack, decay, sustain, and release. Watch the stages video to see how to configure stages. Maths is configured as a standard ADSR envelope generator by having the input coming in here to signal in of part 1, and the end of rise time here coming out on this orange cable to the trigger of part 4, and we're taking the OR output here, and that simple patch physically gives us the standard ADSR in maths. When maths is configured in this way, the rise knobs here at the top, these two rise knobs control the attack time, and you want to set them the same way unless you want special effects, but with the two of them set the same way, you get an attack time control. Then the decay is set with the channel 4 fall knob, so we get the decay here on this one. The sustain level is set with the channel 1 attenuverter. So this here is the sustain level. And finally, the release time is set with the channel 1 fall knob. And the only other requirement is that the attenuverters for 2, 3, and 4 must be set maximum clockwise, and 2 and 3 must be set to 12 o'clock.